Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to remove Shopify's copyright. First, access the Shopify panel and click Online Store on the left. Just click it. On the Themes page, find your current theme. Click the three-dot button. In the new menu, select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In Filter Files, search for base.zcs. You'll see a file named base.zcs. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. Scroll down to the very last line. Just go all the way to the bottom. The last blank line, press Enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit hostube.net. The link is in the description and it has the code we'll use. Click the button to copy the code. Then go back to Shopify and paste it in the blank line we left. After pasting, go to the top right and click the Save button. Just click and it saves successfully. Now, let's check your store. Here's how it looked before the change with the copyright. I'll reload the page and now the copyright has been removed successfully, leaving only your footer without the copyright message. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.